How to fix Messenger video call not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger video call not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with a step 1, that is to check internet connection. So here make sure that you are using the stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Messenger app. So here, if you're having the video call issues on Messenger, then what you can do is simply close the Messenger app completely, and after that you can simply open it again and try video calling. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart your phone. So there, if you're using or having issues while doing video call on Messenger, then what you can do is simply close the app, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap and hold on the power button, and here you can just tap on reboot to restart your phone. And here, once you're done restarting it, you can simply open the Messenger app again and try video calling. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to allow camera and microphone permissions. So here, just tap and hold on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, then you can simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here in this section, make sure that you have allowed camera, microphone, and storage option. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So from here, you can simply go back, and now here, once you're inside the app settings page, then what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now here, with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to update the Messenger. So here you can simply open the Google Play Store, and now here you can simply search for the Messenger app. And there you can just tap on update button if you find one on Messenger. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to check if video call is disabled or not. So there you can just open the Messenger app, and with that being said, you can just tap on chat, and there you can just tap on little I button, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. Now here you can just tap on it, and here you can make sure that the video call is enabled. And with that, moving forward to the step 8, that is to turn off the VPN. So here, if you have enabled any VPN, then what you can do is simply turn off the VPN, and after that you can try video calling again. And with that, moving forward to the step 9, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So here, as a last resort, if you're still having issues after doing all the above steps, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger app, and once you're done with that, you can simply reinstall it from the Play Store, and after that you can log in and try video calling again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.